I think this is the end. Hello, ay ginawa ko. Nagkuyuan ko, guys. Hello, where the heck is he? Hello. It's right here. May nakita akong footsteps dito sa labas. Come here. Oh, okay. Psst. Psst. Hubs, dimple alert. Dimple alert. Dimple alert.
So now you have your duck early this morning, huh? Early this morning you want to play. Early in the morning you want to play. Time check 6:21. Oh, teta na boni pina, bona pani 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 na. Pani pani panita pa, pani pani panita pa, panita panita, panita panita. Oh, I love you, girl. I love my girl. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I love you. I love you. Aray, Roxy, ginoo ako tabangin. Jealousy is the best policy. Right, Roxy? Pamilyo! Pamilyo! Come on now! Oh, so like Misty. Like this. Huh? That will mama don't go no pot. Don't go. Let me hold your leg. Don't go no pot. She doesn't like it.
Good morning, guys. It's early in the morning. Pumunta ako dito sa baba dahil palabas to sila. Ay, naku, wag niyong tabangan si Habs. I love you. Ako yung giniginaw sa kanila, guys. Sobrang aga, sobrang ginaw. Andun sa ice, laro. Ay, naku. It's really cold this morning, guys. Si Roxy naghanap ng lugar na mapupuan niya, I think. Hala, anong ginagawa niya? Anong ginagawa niya dun? Is she pooping? Or she just sitting down over there? I don't know what she's doing. She's sitting down or she's pooping. I don't know. I think she's sitting down. Tignan nyo yung snow, guys. Naka. Are you cold out there, huh? It's freezing, huh? You cannot take it anymore, huh? It's freezing cold. Nag-edit ako konti, guys, ng video before having my, it's 7:23 na ng, Good morning again, guys! Mamahos ako, guys. Time to have breakfast! Oh my God, ang puti-puti ng paningin ko ngayon, guys. yung sa labas, I don't know, guys. Let me see if you guys can see. Look, ang puti-puti sa labas. Yung snow. Nako. Okay, imagine guys ha, naghuhugas ako ng pinggan dito. So, nakatingin ako palagi sa labas. Ang nakikita ko is yung mga snow dyan. Snow dito. Ganyan. Oh my goodness. Walang trabaho ngayon yung asawa ko. So, sabi niya, so, kung hindi daw siya makatawag ng sobrang aga, natutulog daw siya. I go, okay. All you have to do is go to sleep. You don't have to call me, whatever. Ganyan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh my God. Oh, makes my knee hurt more. This cellphone. Laptop kasi lubit. Nalubat ako. Hello? Dahil, nagunsa mo? Sige lang, magtanaw TV. Unsa? Unsa inyong gitanaw? Provinciano? Unya day, unsa man day wala, iyon si Dulpo day wala daw na injectionan ang mga bata og katong dengue unsa to? Oh, sila lang. Wala mo nagpakuan diha tanan sila mama? Nganong wala man daw na injectionan, may ganit kay wala. Oh, ayaw mo pagpa-inject ka kay kuan. Inom na lang mo diha kuan herbal. Inom na lang mo kanding-kanding diha. Initon mo unay kuan sa dengue. Aw tawa-tawa dai kanding-kanding. I was talking to my sister guys, pero naglalaban na naman ako guys yung mga puti na towel na nilagay ko dito para sa pahid. That's my husband. Hello. Hi, what's going on?
Making English muffin.
Oh, you're making English muffin.
Yeah. I hear the puppies.
Growling already because I ignore and been talking to you. The snow is really thick and it's so white in the backyard. It's so pretty. Snow, it will melt again.
Yes, it will. Then more.
More? I think this is the end. We never did this before.
It's only January.
And maybe this is the end, you know? It's been snowing for like every week now, once a week.
Oh, please, honey. This ain't the end.
I just finished talking to my sister.
Where?
They have a puppy again.
They're gonna do puppies.
Yeah. Oh, your son is crying in the laundry area because I was there doing laundry. She want me to come back and jump on my back like daddy always does.
So go back there. I'm crying my head.
No. Hi guys! Andito ako guys. Of course, andito naman ako. And anyway, so ang gagawin ko is lalaro tayo guys. Laro tayo. Kasi, hindi ko na ito nalaro. Matagal na. Let's see if I have it still. Maglalaro tayo guys. Pero hindi ko dito i-upload guys. I-upload ko siya sa isang channel ko. Kasi meron naman akong isang channel. Ang dami kong channel guys. Pero kasi hindi ko i-mix itong channel ko. Kasi this channel guys, itong channel na ito guys, it's vlogging. Plus I mix it with mukbang. Plus now I did mix it with reaction video. So ang kino-concentrate ko na sa channel na ito is yung vlogging at saka yung mukbang, yung dalawa talaga. Inano ko siya. Pero once in a while, mag-a-add clip ako ng mga reaction video na nakakatawa or something what I can, you know, like react video of. Because I wanna do some scary lang. Yung mga scary na mga game, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, scary, horror, killer, stuff like that. And any whatever, like, whatever game that I can upload into this channel. So, doon siya. Pero hindi yan everyday guys. Kasi tignan natin kasi hindi nga ako makapag-upload sa isang Pero ito, hindi naman ito makeup. So, parang easy lang. So, yung makeup channel ko na siya na-hold. Hindi talaga ako mag-upload palagi doon. Pero tinatry ko mag-upload once a week. Si Roxanne dito. Na nakahiga sa sahig. Kung she stand up, static yung mga hair niya na gumaganon. Ito, natatakot sa sarili niya. Anyway, so let's get started. And if you wanna know, I will let you know kung na-upload na siya, kung anong channel name ang gagawin ko. Kasi hindi ko pa mag-i-edit muna ako before the channel name, whatever. Yeah, so yun lang guys. So, yan, dito ako sa taas. Hello guys! Hello, asa mo ko paingon? Where do I have to go? God, this is kindness. Hala, balik to. Hala, nakita ko yan. Hala, uy, ginawa ko. Nakuyuan ko, guys. Hala, where the heck is he? Hala, it's right here. Hala, hala, may dala siya, guys. Ano kaya yung dala niya? Run away! It says run away. Game over. Oops. Ah, pinatay ako. Pinatay ako sa kanya. Tingnan nyo si Roxy, guys. Nakahiga yan kanina, guys. Tignan nyo. Diyan kanina pa dyan. Iwan ko sa kanya. Sobrang ginao. Pero gustong-gusto niya dun maghiga-higa. Ganyan. Roxy! Come in! There's treaties! Treaties! Oh, treaties! Do you want some treaties? Hello guys! Andito pa rin ako guys. Buhay na buhay. Buhay na buhay. Kasi guys, I was upstairs filming and then when I came down here, I did make some arrangement. I did changes of my pop-up icon for social media, like a pop-up like this, like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, like that, and subscribe. So I did change the Facebook, the Instagram, the YouTube. I changed because, you know, I want to change it because while I'm a member of PicMonkey. You know what guys, nagbabayad ako ng PicMonkey ngayon. Kasi marami talaga magagawa sa PicMonkey, no, kapag magbabayad ka. Usually, I don't, 2 months na ngayon, na nag-ano ako ng PicMonkey. Anyway, so, nanonood lang ako ng show na The Bold and the Beautiful, and then edit more videos, and after that, that's really it guys. Mag-edit lang ako ng video. And papasok lang ni Roxy galing labas. So, ang sakit ng mata ko. Nakatutok lang ako sa laptop palagi. And, oh my God, sumakit siya. As in. Pero, ano lang ako, itutulog ko lang ito. Ipipi yung, I'm just going to take a nap. And, before taking a nap, ang gagawin ko is, ilagay ko kayo dito. Dito muna kayo ha. Kasi, I'm going to take, so pasensya na guys. I'm going to put this thing back to, ibalik ko sila sa doon sa couch. Kasi wala kaming cover. This is for now guys, ito yung ginagamit naming cover. Kasi alam na. Ay nako. Tignan nyo, andyan na naman siya. Before ko ilagay yung I'm going to roll whatever here, over there. So, bag, you have to get away, bag. Look, I'm rolling you. Look at what happened, bag. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yes, you like it. Hi, little man. Do you like it, little bag? Mama's annoying, right? But I need to cover this little man. Yeah, I'm rolling. I'm getting some of your hair. What can I tell you? I have to go to the basement and look what's going on because I've been hearing twice already in the basement, guys. I've been hearing noise in the basement. I like this makeup look. Kahit masakit yung mata ko. Anyway, I'll be right back and I will bring you later. I have to put this first, the cover, and then I will go to the basement with you guys, with the dog. Okay, punta tayo sa baba. Kasi I heard twice noise downstairs. And this weather, guys, expected, unexpected. You have intruder. always. Like for example, rat, mice, snake, squirrel. Hey, no, you're not going in here. Habsibag want to come in. Tignan natin dito. Doon, sabi ko kay Tami, isi-sealed niya yung mga wire. Kasi naka-open siya, yung may wire dito open. Ito talagang si Tami. At saka may nakita akong footsteps dito. Sa labas. Dito. Parang mayroon talagang nakapasok ba? Hindi ko lang alam kung ano. Habs, enough! So, ito yung position ko. Dito ako, guys. Nakahiga lang ako, guys. This is the good thing about the recliner kasi pwede mo siya talagang yung higa na higa ka talaga ito. Nakahiga na ako. Yung higa-higa na ako. And gusto mong ma-up, gusto mong ma-down, i-push lang. And yun, so, I'm going to relax and hopefully, I'm not just gonna keep staying on my phone and see you later.
Does he have a plan, a goal here of what he wants to achieve?
He has explained to me that he wants to be King Crimson. He thinks this murder rap is going to go farther than what it is now.
And why?
I believe something came over him.
Alam na. Hindi ako nakatulog, guys. Ay, sa Ginoo ko. Si Roxy andun sa ibabaw ko. Pagkatapos na yung aunt ko, I was chatting with my aunt Nina from Oman. And also, ano pa ba? Tumawag si Tami, nakipag-chat, nakipag-FaceTime kasi nagpagupit siya. Sobrang gusto niya makita ko yung look niya. So, yun. Nagpagupit siya, guys. Tignan niyo to, guys. Bayang magiliw, perlas na silanganan. Love. Misty, you're so cute. You're so cute. I love you. Yes. I know you are cute. I know. I know. I just know. Hi, Mitch. Hello, baby. Yes, I know. I know. I know, baby. Yes, good girl na ni Mama. Yes, you are such a good girl ni Mama. No, yes, you are a good girl. Because you are so cute, Monkey. Okay, na, get down now. You listen to Mama. Good girl. That's a good girl. You listen. That's a good girl. Best girl in the world, my baby. Roxy's playing with her toy. The good girl in the world, Bitika. Are you here?
You're frozen.
You're frozen. You're frozen. You wanna eat?
No.
Charcoal.
Video's very bad.
That's your internet.
I guess.
You wanna go up now?
Enjoy your dinner.
I'll call you on bed. I'll talk to you tomorrow. What?
What?
I'll call you in bed.
Alright. Enjoy your dinner.
Thanks.
Bye. Eat your steak.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this up in the refrigerator.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Talk to you later.
I love you too. Bye-bye. Ay, ito naman talaga yung buhay namin, guys. FaceTiming. Nag-FaceTime siya. Nag-FaceTime kami. Tinatawagan niya ako FaceTime while he's cooking steak. Sarap ng vegetables, eh. Cauliflower ba? But anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching guys. Kita-kits tayo bukas ha. Salamat guys sa panonood pala. Thank you guys. Sana babalik kayo bukas kasi meron na naman akong upload. Bye guys. Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good night. Good night.